Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We're here with another Temu unbagging unboxing. There's just one thing I want to show you today, so this will be quick. And it is this beautiful diamond painting pen that I got off of Temu. And it cost $2.88. So let's take a look at it. I probably did not need to rip that off. So I always like getting new pens, and this came with some tips and some wax. And the wax, I'm just going to take it out and put it back in because I don't want it to get yucky. But it's just regular pink wax, or red wax. That's red, right? Alright, so the pen itself is blue. Well, it's white with blue lines on it. And it has a hole in this end and a hole on this end. And it has a pile of tips. There's 4 tips. There is a single placer. Hang on. Let's just open them up. So there's this bent single placer. Let's see if they fit in here okay. I do like that size. I don't want that one. See how wide that is? I'm sorry you can't see what I'm doing. I'm just hitting it on my desk. Maybe I will just put one of the smaller multi-placers. I don't mind multi-placing, but yeah, that went in much better. So we'll do this multi-placer and this one. And this size, you can still use it to single place too. Can you see? Is my camera picking up? So that is like, I think that's a 2 or 3 placer. And that's probably a 6 placer. And there we go. And if I don't like these, I'll ask my dad to take one of them out and put the single placer in for me. I could not get this in, and I tried a lot off camera that I had to cut out because it was too noisy. But all in all, I think this is a really cool pen, and I'm really glad to have it. Isn't that pretty? It's really beautiful. I do like this pen. I'm very much looking forward to using it. I like the way they feel in my hands. And I like when they're weighted the same on both sides so they're not too heavy on one. I've ordered some pens before where it's heavier on the end, on one end than the other. So when you're trying to work, they flop back on your hands. This has a really nice feel, and it's just beautiful. And I don't have a blue and white one yet. Well, now I do. So yeah, for only $2.88, if this works well for me, and if I like working with these kind of ends, because I usually prefer the thinner, more narrow ones. But if this works well, I'll order more. So I'll let you know how this goes, you guys. But yeah, I'm really happy with that. For that price, $3, that's way cheaper than on Amazon. Okay, guys, so I hope you like this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe. The notification bell. And most importantly, thank you for being here. I really appreciate that you're supporting the channel. And let me know if you've tried a pen from Temu yet. It feels very nice. I'm really having the urge to do some diamond painting tonight. Maybe I will. All right, guys. So take care, stay safe, and happy crafting and happy diamond painting. I hope you have a really good day or evening, whatever time of day it is that you're watching this. All right. Take care. Bye.